And I think they turned out oh so sweet. We shall see those at the end of the mani. I won't reveal them until then. It's a secret. It's a secret. Remember, this is a Glitter Girls collaboration, so please check out their videos as well as mine in full. We would greatly, greatly appreciate that. I know I would. And like I said, you can do this design in any direction. This is for breast cancer, so I'm doing it in pink. Set this one off to the side to dry, excuse me. And I'm going to go on to the next nail, which this is the middle nail and the ring finger. Let me see, let me see. I'm just making this up as I go along. No rhyme, no reason. And I guess some of me don't have one, do they? You can do their bandages in any old direction you want. Because this is your mummy, right? Right. I know I'm using the full brush here, and you really shouldn't. But I'm running out of this. And I have a black gel, but I can't do it where, how do I word this? I'm almost out, so it makes it really difficult to get the brush or any of it out to put on a liner. I am using it to fill in the eye area. So let me go back to this nail. There we go for that one, which means I am going to be popping these in the lamp. Hope you can't hear my TV off in the background. I turned it down the best that I could. I mean, I can hear it, but I don't even know what's on. So I'm going to pop these in for 30, and I'll be right back. Okay, we are back. We have cured the eye area. I am going to be going in with the white I have from Azure and a dotting tool. I'm going to be using the bigger end. Just going to go in off the brush, load up my dotting tool, and make me some eyes. And I'm going to flash cure these. Next we will go in with the black for the pupil on the eye. I'll be using my dotting tool also for that. What else are we going to do? I have a little surprise that I'm going to do on the ring finger. And I'll be using my trusty little flashlight light to cure that one. But right now, I'm going to get my black, give my mummy some pupils. That way they can see properly. They gotta be able to see, right? Whoops. There we go. Let me know what you think so far. I mean, I know you were only seeing 2 of the nails. I'm going to pop these back in the lamp for 15 to flash cure those. And then I am going to be top coating with P&D top coat, no white. And we'll be curing those for a full 60. Whoops. Okay, we're going to top coat these babies, or these mummies. My booby mummies. I'm trying to get my nice glossy top coat. Oh my goodness, my phone. Sorry about that. So I'm gonna pause these, not pause these. I'm not gonna pause anything. I'm gonna cure these for a full 60. Alright, we are back. All the nails have been cured, and here is Miss Harley Marie with her breast cancer pink gloves. And the mummies, the Halloween mummies. So let me comment down below, let me know what you think. I think they are super cute myself. I think they're really adorable. So what we're going to do now is we're going to put a breast cancer ribbon on the ring finger. Get me a little palette here. And I'm going to scoop some of this pink polish up. And this is a gel. Well, where's my sample nail? Let me look at this. Do you a little ribbon across your mummy. There we go. Gonna flash cure this. And then I'll top coat again. And then I have the little surprise to put on. Oops. Here we go. Here we go. I'm going to top coat again. I'm going to pop this back in the lamp. Alright, we have top coated, we are fresh back out of the lamp, we have got our breast cancer awareness sign on the ring finger. I am going to put me a itty bitty little pink bow on the nail. If this was a real nail, I would be putting it on with glue. But I am using top coat because this is Flexi. Harley Marie, she's going to be sporting this pink bow. I'm gonna do my best to cure this with this little flashlight here I got. Hold it here on the light, or on the hand for a few seconds. Just like a flash cure. And then I'm gonna stick it in the lamp. This thing of mine doesn't work too well. It's got fresh batteries in it, but you know, some things are just a little wonky sometimes. So I've got this in the lamp. It is curing. I think the bow is a sweet little touch. I hope you like it as well. If you are new here, please subscribe to my channel. I do a slew of different kind of things. Monday, Tuesday area is my docu-series Learning Acrylics. Saturday is She Modern Saturday, the original She Modern series. Thursday is a crapshoot. It could be doing unboxing review. It could be doing nail art. There's no telling what I do on Thursdays anymore. Sometimes through the week I'll have a collaboration video, like my Glitter Girls collaboration, or it could be one with Princess D, or there's just no telling anymore. So, like I said, I hope you join me for all of those. Please click the bell when you subscribe. That way you get notified of all future videos. And here is Harley Marie with her Breast Cancer Awareness Halloween manicure. I chose Pink Mummies. And the ring finger also has a little touch of the added bell. I think that turned out really super cute, and I hope you do too. Leave me a comment down below and let me know what you think. What is your Halloween manicure this year? Show me and let me know. Tag me on Instagram, nailedit67. I'll put that along the bottom of the screen so you can remember, so you can tag me and show me what you wore this Halloween. I'll be wearing orange nails, I believe. We'll see. I'll show ya. So we've come to the end of our manicure, and as always, have yourselves a blessed day. Thank you.